Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert. This is our submission for the hackathon, and we were actually able to get some interest online, which was kind of fun. So unfortunately, very early on, we realized that with our 10-year-old computers, we didn't have the compute necessary to run such full-featured software. So we had to make a lightweight environment in PufferLib, and this is rendered in Raylib. Our first stretch goal is to pick up moving boxes. You'll see why soon. The second stretch goal was to pick up with mechanical grippers like pincers. And unfortunately, between unexpected business travel and sick kids, we weren't able to get that done. I think overall we needed maybe a couple more days. On the last day, we did find a teammate with a 4090. And at first, we were trying to port over the model from PufferLib into Isaac Sim. And just with our lack of experience and lack of time, we were running into some physics errors on our end. It's probably our fault, and we couldn't get past those. So he got this working in about 6 hours, training these drones to pick up and move the boxes, which I think shows how much people can do if they just have reasonably up-to-date hardware. And this was all of our first time using Isaac Sim and Isaac Lab. We were thinking about what we wanted to do, and typically when we see Isaac Sim and Isaac Lab tutorials, we just see the industrial setting of pick and place. And we also wanted to find a commercial use as well that showcases the versatility of your assets in Isaac Sim, but also something of a humanitarian use. And we thought back to recent catastrophes, and there were recent flash floods that left people stranded. They still needed food and water. And so we narrowed in on the large DHL box, and we trained on randomized masses to show that we can get food to people in such a crisis. We made it so that the moving boxes, so that the truck can continue moving through a neighborhood at approximately 1 meter per second, and the truck doesn't need to stop, and we can deliver with these multi-agent aerial robotics, all these drones that avoid collisions with each other and deliver to houses. And so we were able to showcase the versatility of your assets, do it in a difficult way, showcase the versatility of Isaac Sim, and find some truly useful things that can be done within this environment. So in the end, we actually got everything working. We just ran out of time in the end to get everything working in one place, unfortunately. But we really enjoyed the hackathon. Thank you so much for letting us join. It was a lot of fun. We learned a lot, and we're really looking forward to next time. Thanks. Bye.